Case number 9, written by Shahzab Khanzada, is currently running in a very brilliant manner. The story is showing a long and tough legal battle, and the question remains as to how many more episodes will be shown. But in episode 20, one thing was silently made clear. The judge's body language, the lawyer's last words, and the silence of the court. Everyone was shouting and telling that the decision would be known. But despite this, the suspense will remain for the viewers till the last episode. Which evidence will the judge accept? Now, let's come to the last scene of episode 20. In this scene, a clash is shown between heroine Sahar's ex-husband Dolly and accused Cameron. Cameron says, "I have no regrets about raping Sahar." This sentence is recorded by Sahar's ex-husband on his mobile phone. Now the story takes a turn from here when the judge starts pronouncing the verdict and says that Sahar and her lawyer could not present any clear evidence at that moment. The ex-husband will enter the court and play the recorded voice in the court. So watch this scene from episode number 20 and tell us, do you agree with this ending?